Good afternoon everyone, I'm Xiang Yan, CFO of MOONWAY Technologies, and we are here to change the way you shop, possibly forever. So, have you ever faced this situation? You walk into a traditional supermarket, you went to the aisle to pick one or two items, then you went to the counter, only to be turned off by a long line. And then you're like, oh my god, then you found a counter with only two people, you went there to line up and you found out there's the guy putting up a sign saying, counters will have to do. What do? You feel frustrated, you put the items back to the shelf, and you leave empty-handed. This is what Malaysians like to call potong steam. Okay, there are a few companies having the solutions for this problem, like Amazon Go from US. They have infrared cameras and pressure sensors, but here's the catch. Bloomberg reports that it costs $1 million per store. That's like 450 years of roti canai. You can feed 5 generations of roti canai in each store. And you have Hema from China, which uses smart displays, self-checkout counters. It's more convenient, but you have to build a new store from scratch. It's like destroying an Aeon and build an Aeon from scratch. So none of these solutions are close to home. So we at MOONWAY Technologies, we aim to elevate your shopping experience, and these are the people behind the team. I'll pass it to our COO, Andrew, to tell you more about how it works.
Alright, thank you. So, what I'm eager to tell you about is our solution because it's amazing, alright? So, what's our solution to this problem? We tackle the core dilemma behind this matter, and that is manually operated cashiers, okay? How do we do that? We automate the checkout process and implement wireless technologies onto our retail items. How do we do that? Simple. 4 letters, 3 words, radio frequency identification or RFID. Sounds fancy, but RFID is no stranger in Malaysia because we have touch and go and parking stickers, and these are already implemented in Malaysia. But RFID is rarely implemented in retail stores. So we aim to bring this idea to retail stores because we are inspired by the fast cars going through toll gates, which is bad because you got to pay toll. Alright? So we thought at least we can help to increase the efficiency, which is good. But for smaller the cost and double the effectiveness. Thank you. Next, why RFID? I don't have to tell you that, it's all good. Alright? So how does this thing work? Simple. First of all, we eliminate barcodes. Alright? We remove the barcodes and we replace them with cheap RFID stickers. We take a product, we take an RFID sticker, we stick on it. That's all. Because this RFID sticker identifies this product. Next, checkout. How do we pay? We take an item, we put it in a cart, we push it to a checkout counter, and then we improve the current counter by installing RFID scanners. That's all. Alright? Next, how do we pay? We pay using various cashless payment options, or because our products are backward compatible, we can utilize the current point of sale systems. So these are some of the examples of payment options that is available right now. So it's going shopping now is as easy as 3 steps. Scan, pay, and be happy. That's all. Alright? So what are the short-term benefits that is associated with our products? First of all, we can slash queue times. Average queue time is based on real research, by the way, on Aeon Summit Pyramid, by approximately 85%. And at the same time, it elevates security. How? Assuming I'm a thief, I want to steal an item, I take something, I run through the gantry. Immediately, the RFID scanner will pick that up, and it will trigger alarms and trigger the alert of security personnel. Alright? The long-term benefits are shown: improving store efficiency, reduce labor costs. Okay, how much our cashier goes? 8,000 bucks per cashier. Sounds expensive until you compare it to a conventional cashier of 12,000 bucks. But a small investment can save an average store like Aeon 700,000 bucks in 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. That's a house right there. Of course, there are 1,500 supermarkets in Malaysia that can benefit from our products. So come to us. We want to help you save money. Alright, so what do you think now? Like, do I have to do any upgrades? Do I do anything? No, absolutely nothing, because our products are backward compatible with point of sale systems, and all we do is replace barcode scanners with RFID scanners. Alright, next. Of course, why do you trust us? We are new. You don't trust us, we don't trust you. Why? we have to begin a test in Aeon Summit Pyramid. And if you like to help, test your product with us, you can always contact us.